sinner pero I will repent. Kala mo bubuyog na naghahabol ng kanyang scent. All them other visibles and pero ako kanyang pet. Pagsinta niya sa'kin yosi nagpabaga ng apoy. Slobber lang kami ni Shorty parang nasa kumunay. Bumulong siya sa'kin tenga sambit niya sa'kin ay oy, oy, boy, boy. If you're horny, let's do it. Ride it, my phone. Baby, baby, you don't have to worry. You really don't have to worry. If you want it, stop blowing my phone. If you want it, stop blowing my phone. If you want it, stop blowing my phone. If you, yeah. I don't even know what all this shit's about. Kung sumugalo, mabahag, it ain't my fucking problem. Naglalakad kami